DJI Avata drone. Drones with first-person views have become very popular recently. These special gadgets are the closest you can go to feeling like you're flying like a bird because they let you put on a headset and control a drone from a first-person perspective. The DJI Avata, the company's most recent version of this technology, was just introduced. It is designed to be more strong and prepared for any unexpected collisions. It can be controlled with a joystick that replicates your hand movements or a controller. Smart features like the capability to use custom routes, follow a person or vehicle, and return to the starting point if it goes too far away. Generation 0 Grand 2. The sustainable shoe market is blowing up right now, with major companies trying to create the shoe that leaves the smallest carbon footprint. One of the more unique attempts at this is the recent Generation 0 Grand 2. The materials used to make these Cole Haan sneakers are almost entirely recycled. Beeline Velo 2. Trying to get around a city on a bike is a stress like no other, attempting to navigate cars, people and lanes while also tracking your destination on your phone with a confused navigation system. The Velo 2 cycling computer is unfortunately unable to remove the cars and people in your way, but it can make the navigation easier. This tiny, circular device fastens to your bicycle and provides you with simple, minimal navigational instructions derived from tracking actual journeys. You can also monitor the time, distance, speed, and arrival time. In fact, it is waterproof. Google Pixel 7. There are a lot of smartphones out there, but realistically Apple and Samsung steal most of the limelight. With its two latest devices, Google has managed to join those top two, offering a pair of serious contenders in the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. These are fantastic smartphones in most obvious ways, including good battery life, a powerful processor, a vibrant and colorful display, and even one of the best cameras we've used. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The new Roomba J7 Plus combines both vacuum and mop in one machine. This itself isn't new, but the company has introduced a new self-retracting mop feature. When it gets close to carpet, the mop lifts out of the way so that it can only be used where you want it. Theoretically, this suggests a robot vacuum that is completely independent and doesn't require assistance. So this is how the uprising of the robots begins? Meta Quest Pro. The Meta Quest Pro 2 is probably the greatest way to get started in the metaverse and virtual reality right away. In order to provide the newest and most amazing specifications in the VR industry, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has invested a significant amount of money in this. The investment is only worthwhile for those who can't wait for the metaverse, even though it's the best VR has to offer right now. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. When it comes to camera equipment, DJI has spread itself across the whole industry, making a load of action cameras, drones and accessories. One of their latest devices is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, a gimbal that you can use with your smartphone. By balancing your movement while filming, you will be able to get clean footage even if you are running, driving, or otherwise throwing yourself around. With the help of DJI's Active Track 5.0 software, you can smoothly track a subject while maintaining their position in the frame even when they are moving. The gimbal also includes a host of buttons for zooming, cinematic blurs, and other similar effects. Nothing Phone 1. The brand Nothing has had the world of tech enthusiasts patiently waiting for the reveal of their new smartphone. They promised something a little bit different, and they delivered on that. The back of the device is transparent, allowing you to see the inner workings of the device. On top of that, it features a number of LED lights that the company has called glyphs. These lights flash in different ways to inform you of incoming calls, texts, social media notifications, and plenty of other alerts on your device. Sony WH-1000XM5. The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, which consistently receive 5-star ratings, are specifically made for those who don't want to spend a lot of money on a pair of Apple AirPod Max headphones. These are remarkably comparable to earlier Sony versions in terms of specifications and audio. They provide industry-leading audio in the lows, mids, and highs, as well as outstanding noise cancellation and a variety of clever ambient functions. The design of these headphones is the most noticeable change from their predecessor, giving them a totally different appearance. Gocycle G4 electric bike. There are many electric bikes available today, but if you live in a city and frequently take trains, buses, and stairs, having the option to fold the bike down may be important. The new Gocycle G4 offers a high-end electric bike that can be folded down with ease, and that is its primary selling point. There is a strong motor inside, and you can also attach an app to it to start the bike remotely, check your speed, see how much energy is left, and do other things. This bike handles well on roads, grass, and other more unusual terrain thanks to its traction control capabilities. Even the modes vary, sending forth greater power as required.